Every day, thousands of people use Google NotebookLM to learn faster, organize research, and work with AI. But after using it for a while, you start wishing it could do just a little bit more. Better organization, faster imports, easier exports, smarter workflows. That's exactly why we built Sourclip. Sourclip transforms NotebookLM into a complete AI research workspace packed with powerful productivity tools. In the next few minutes, I'll show you everything it adds and why it completely changes the NotebookLM experience. This is Sourclip. At first glance, it looks familiar, but look closely. The entire workspace has been upgraded with features designed for researchers, students, professionals, and anyone working with knowledge. Notebooks. Let's start with notebooks. Here, all of your NotebookLM projects are organized in one clean dashboard. Each notebook instantly shows the number of sources, generated artifacts, creation date, and folder location. But that's only the beginning. Expanding a notebook reveals powerful actions that normally require multiple steps. View every source. Browse generated artifacts. Export all sources. Export every generated artifact. Move notebooks into folders. Or remove notebooks you no longer need. Everything is available with just one click. No hunting through menus. No wasted time. Sources. Research often means managing dozens or even hundreds of documents. Sourclip gives every source its own dedicated management page. Instead of opening notebooks one by one, you can quickly browse and organize all imported files from a single location. Whether they're PDFs, websites, Google Docs, or presentations, everything stays organized. Artifacts. Every conversation with AI creates valuable knowledge. Summaries, study guides, FAQs, timelines, reports, comparisons. Normally, finding these later can be difficult. Sourclip solves that problem. Every generated artifact is automatically organized and available whenever you need it. Your AI outputs become a reusable knowledge library. #podcasts, open podcasts. NotebookLM introduced AI-generated podcasts. Sourclip makes managing them even easier. Access every generated podcast from one dedicated location. Listen anytime, share them with others, or continue learning while you're driving, walking, or exercising. #discover, open discover. Sometimes the hardest part of research is deciding where to begin. Discover helps you explore new ideas, topics, and knowledge without leaving your workspace. It's designed to make exploration faster and more intuitive.
Start by clicking the download icon to export your sources from the panel. From here, click Select All to choose all 4 sources for export. Following that, check the first source to include it in your export download. Now select the Strategic Financial Planning source to include it in your export. Now click the Export as drop-down to select your preferred file format for export. Now click Download Zip to export your selected sources as a compressed file. Following this, click the Delete button to remove selected sources from your notebook. From here, click Select All to mark all 4 sources for permanent deletion. Following this, click Select All to mark all 4 sources for deletion. Next, click the checkbox to select the Claude source for deletion. Next, click the Delete Selected button to permanently remove the selected source. Firstly, click the Save to NotebookLM button to save this conversation for later reference. From here, select your preferred notebook to save the conversation and organize your notes. Afterwards, click the Open button to navigate to the NotebookLM application interface. From here, click the Save to NotebookLM button to store this post. Then, click the Save to NotebookLM button to store this content for future reference. From here, click the Copy button to duplicate the prompt for your own use. Now click the NotebookLM button to save this video to your NotebookLM library. Now click the comment field to add your feedback about this NotebookLM tutorial. Then click the Open button to launch the interactive notebook demo. Afterwards, click the session to access the previous conversation and continue your work. This answer to your notebook. To wrap up, click the Save to NotebookLM button to store this answer in your notebook.
Bulk import. Open bulk import. Uploading documents one by one can quickly become frustrating, especially when you're working with dozens of research papers. Bulk import changes everything. Select multiple files, import them together, and build your research workspace in minutes instead of hours. Hashtag prompt library. Open prompt library. Everyone has prompts they use again and again. Explain this. Summarize this. Compare these documents. Create interview questions. Generate flashcards. Instead of typing them repeatedly, Sourclip lets you save your favorite prompts in one centralized prompt library. Build your own collection, reuse them instantly, and keep your workflow consistent across every notebook.
Sourclip is your all-in-one research workspace for Google NotebookLM. It helps you capture content from websites, YouTube, PDFs, AI chats, Reddit, and more with just one click. Organize everything into folders, save reusable prompts, search across notebooks, and export your work in multiple formats, including notes, PDFs, videos, and even audio overviews as private podcasts. Sourclip makes research faster, more organized, and easier to manage from start to finish. Now let's talk about pricing. You can get started completely free. The free plan includes 10 captures and 10 exports per day, up to 5 folders, 3 saved prompts, and all the essentials you need to experience Sourclip. No account or credit card required. If you need unlimited captures, unlimited exports, cloud sync across devices, unlimited folders and prompts, and custom branding, the Pro plan is available for just $24 per year. And if you prefer a one-time purchase, the lifetime plan costs $49 and includes every Pro feature plus all future updates with no recurring subscription. Choose the plan that fits your workflow and start building a smarter,